Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on the Edge Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Edge Wallet application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your username and your password to log in, or your biometrics or PIN code to log in. Now, after you use your credentials and log into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which you can see all of your assets within the app. Now, from this page, if you wish to enable two-factor authentication within the app, go ahead and tap on the menu page at the top right corner to open up the menu settings. Now, from this page, tap on settings at the second last option, and now you will see the various menus that you can access. Now, if you wish to set up two-factor security, you will first need to tap on the Tap to Unlock Account Settings menu. Once you tap on this, you will need to enter your current password that you use for your account. Type in your password and tap on the Submit button, and now all of these options will be unlocked. Go ahead and tap on Set up two-factor security, and now you will find the option to enable 2FA. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be shown the backup code that you can use for your account. Tap on the drop-down menu, and now you can tap on the backup code to copy it to your clipboard. And now your two-factor authentication has successfully been set up. What this means is, even if you have lost your password and every time you need to log into your account, you will be asked to enter this two-factor authentication code. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up two-factor authentication on the Edge Wallet application. If you wish to remove this, you can go back to the same page and you will find the option to remove 2FA. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.